Hey there, gearheads! Get ready for a tire-tastic journey as we speed through the essentials of tire maintenance. In this quick guide, we'll cover the ins and outs to keep your wheels spinning smoothly. Ready to roll? Let's dive in. Let's begin with the pressure point. It's crucial to monitor and maintain the right tire pressure for optimal performance. Learn the steps to ensure your tire's heartbeat is steady and strong. Now, immerse yourself in the tread tale. Beyond the patterns, tire treads tell a story of road safety and traction. Explore the language of treads and how it impacts your driving experience. Transitioning to inflation innovation, discover innovative tips to keep your tires properly inflated. Maintaining the right pressure is a small investment for a smoother ride and prolonged tire life. Zoom into tire time efficiency. Learn how dedicating a few minutes to tire care can save you money and extend the lifespan of your tires. It's a quick investment with long-term benefits. Take a detour to explore the safety spin. Tire rotation is more than just a mechanical task. It's a safety dance for your vehicle. Master the moves to keep your ride secure on the road. Shift gears to the alignment anthem. Proper alignment is the symphony your tires crave for optimal performance. Dive into the details of why alignment matters and how it impacts your driving experience. Rev up for the maintenance minuet. Discover how seamlessly integrating tire care into your routine can ensure a smooth and safe journey. It's a dance that keeps your tires in tune with the road. As this tire symphony concludes, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and share the tire love. Until our next drive, happy and safe travels. This concludes our in-depth tutorial on becoming proficient in tire care. Keep an eye out for additional automotive journeys and maintenance insights.